Have you ever wanted to build something incredible, something that moves and interacts with the world? Building a robot from scratch is an immensely rewarding experience. It's a journey of creativity, problem-solving, and sheer joy when your creation comes to life. Imagine the moment your robot takes its first step, responds to your command, or completes a task. That feeling of accomplishment is unparalleled. Building a robot is like bringing a piece of the future into your own hands. From the initial spark of an idea to the final tweaks and adjustments, every step of the process is filled with excitement. It's a challenge, no doubt, but one that is well worth the effort. So, are you ready to embark on this amazing adventure? Let's dive in and make your robot dreams a reality. Building a robot isn't just about assembling parts, it's about unleashing your inner inventor and exploring the boundaries of your creativity. It's a chance to let your imagination run wild and create something truly unique, something that has never existed before. What problem will your robot solve? Will it help with daily chores, assist in medical procedures, or perhaps explore distant planets? What task will it perform? The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination and ingenuity. But it's more than just creativity. It's about solving real-world problems and making a tangible impact. Robotics is a multidisciplinary field that combines elements of mechanics, electronics, and computer programming, offering a rich and diverse learning experience. As you build your robot, you'll gain valuable skills in each of these areas, from understanding mechanical systems to mastering electronic circuits. You'll learn how gears and motors work together, creating movement and functionality, how circuits control the flow of electricity, enabling your robot to perform complex tasks, and how to write code that brings your robot to life, making it respond to commands and interact with its environment. These skills are not only fun to learn but are highly sought after in today's tech-driven world, opening doors to exciting career opportunities. So you're not just building a robot, you're building your future, equipping yourself with knowledge and expertise that will serve you well in any field. You're becoming a problem solver, an innovator, a creator, someone who can turn ideas into reality. And that's pretty darn cool. So why build a robot? Because the journey is as rewarding as the destination. Before you dive into the nuts and bolts of building your robot, it's crucial to have a clear vision of what you want to create. This vision will guide every decision you make along the way. What purpose will your robot serve? This is the fundamental question that will shape your entire project. Will it be a helpful assistant around the house, taking care of mundane chores? Or perhaps a playful companion that brings joy and entertainment? Maybe you envision a daring explorer, venturing into uncharted territories and discovering new frontiers. Start by jotting down any and all ideas that come to mind, no matter how wild or impractical they may seem. This is the time to let your creativity flow without any restrictions. Don't censor yourself. Let your imagination run free. The more ideas you generate, the better your chances of finding that perfect concept. Think about everyday tasks that could be automated, challenges you'd like your robot to tackle, or simply fun and engaging activities it could perform. Consider the needs and desires of your target audience. Once you have a good pool of ideas, start narrowing down your options. Evaluate each idea critically and consider its potential impact. Consider the complexity of each concept, the materials and skills required, and the overall feasibility of bringing your vision to life. Think about the resources you have at your disposal and the time you can commit to the project. Remember, even the most ambitious robots start with a single, well-defined purpose. This purpose will be your guiding star, helping you stay focused and motivated throughout the journey. With a solid idea in place, it's time to start giving your robot a tangible form. Sketching your robot is more than just doodling. It's about translating your vision into a concrete design. Start with rough sketches, capturing the overall shape, size, and key features of your robot. As your design evolves, refine your sketches, adding details and dimensions. Consider factors like weight distribution, range of motion, and sensor placement. These sketches will serve as your blueprints, guiding you through the construction process. Material selection is equally crucial. Will your robot be crafted from sturdy metal, lightweight plastic, or a combination of both? Each material has its own properties, affecting your robot's durability, flexibility, and overall performance. Research different materials carefully, considering factors like cost, availability, and ease of use. Section 5. Gathering the pieces, sourcing components for your robot. Now comes the exciting part, gathering all the components that will bring your robot to life. This is where your sketches and material choices come into play. Make a detailed list of everything you'll need, from motors and wheels to sensors, microcontrollers, and batteries. Don't be afraid to explore different suppliers and compare prices. Online retailers, electronics stores, and even salvaged parts can be treasure troves for robot builders. Remember, finding the right components at the right price is all part of the adventure. As you gather your components, take the time to familiarize yourself with each one. Read data sheets, understand their specifications, and experiment with them before incorporating them into your robot. This hands-on approach will deepen your understanding and make the building process smoother. Section 6. Assembling the puzzle, soldering, wiring, and bringing your robot to life. This is where your creativity and technical skills come together to breathe life into your creation. With all your components assembled, it's time to start putting the pieces together. Lay out all your parts and tools neatly to ensure you have everything you need within reach. This is where your robot begins to take physical form. Piece by piece, you'll see your vision come to life as you start the assembly process. Following your sketches as a guide, carefully assemble the mechanical components, ensuring everything is securely fastened and aligned properly. Precision is key here, as even a small misalignment can affect the robot's performance. Next, it's time to delve into the world of electronics. This step is crucial as it involves the brain and nervous system of your robot. Connect the motors, sensors, and other components to the microcontroller, the brain of your robot. Each connection must be precise to ensure proper functionality. Soldering is an essential skill here, allowing you to create permanent and reliable connections between wires and components. A good solder joint is shiny and smooth, indicating a strong connection. Take your time, practice on scrap materials, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from experienced makers. Good soldering takes practice, but it's worth the effort. As you wire your robot, pay close attention to polarity and ensure all connections are secure. Double-check each connection to avoid any potential issues later on. A loose wire or an incorrect connection can mean the difference between a functioning robot and a frustrating puzzle. Troubleshooting is part of the process, so stay patient and methodical. Double-check your work frequently, referring to your sketches and component data sheets. This ensures that every part is in its rightful place and functioning as intended. Your diligence now will pay off when your robot comes to life. Section 7. The moment of truth. Testing, troubleshooting, and refining your creation. With your robot assembled and wired, it's time for the moment of truth, powering it up for the first time. This is where your hard work and dedication culminate in a surge of excitement and anticipation. But be prepared, the journey isn't over yet. Initial testing often reveals areas for improvement, adjustments, or even complete overhauls. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or unexpected behavior. Troubleshooting is an integral part of the process, allowing you to identify and resolve any issues that arise. Approach troubleshooting methodically, testing individual components, checking connections, and reviewing your code. Often the solution lies in a simple oversight or a loose connection. Embrace the challenge, for with each obstacle overcome, your robot becomes more robust and your skills as a builder grow. Section 8. Documenting your journey. Photos, descriptions, and sharing your success. Throughout your robot building adventure, it's incredibly rewarding to document your progress. Take photos of each step, from the initial sketches to the final assembly. Jot down notes describing your thought process, challenges encountered, and solutions discovered. This documentation serves as a valuable record of your journey, allowing you to track your progress, revisit past decisions, and share your experiences with others. It's also a fantastic resource for future projects, providing insights and lessons learned along the way. Sharing your work with the robotics community is equally fulfilling. Online forums, social media platforms, and makerspaces are teeming with passionate individuals, eager to connect, collaborate, and celebrate each other's creations. By sharing your journey, you inspire others, contribute to the collective knowledge, and become part of a vibrant and supportive community. Section 9. Joining the robotics revolution. A world of innovation awaits. Congratulations on embarking on the incredible journey of building a robot from scratch. The skills you've gained, the challenges you've overcome, and the creativity you've unleashed have opened doors to a world of possibilities. The field of robotics is constantly evolving, with new technologies, applications, and opportunities emerging every day. From industrial automation to healthcare, exploration, and beyond, robots are transforming our world in profound ways. By building your own robot, you've not only joined a passionate community of makers and innovators, but have positioned yourself at the forefront of this technological revolution. Continue to explore, experiment, and push the boundaries of what's possible. The future of robotics is in your hands.